Well, provisional results from Uganda's presidential and parliamentary elections show incumbent President Yoweri Museveni in the lead. Voting continued a second day Friday to make up for problems at some of the voting stations. Early results show President Museveni holding more than 60% of the votes counted. Presidential candidate Kizza Besigye has been arrested for a second time in as many days following his claim the voting is rigged. Election results are expected as soon as Saturday. Well, for more on the Ugandan elections, Jill Craig, Voice of America's VOA's East Africa correspondent, joins us from Kampala. Jill, tell us first, up to this moment, what is the percentage of provisional results that have been released?
Sure, Vincent, the Electoral Commission just released the fifth, allotment of provisional votes just a few moments ago. And as of now, President Museveni holds about 63% of that vote. Mr. Besigye holds approximately 33%. And Mr. Mbabazi has about 2%. The other candidates are, negligible numbers. So that's what we have so far. And about 47.5% of all polling stations have been accounted for.
Now, we saw some skirmishes earlier on the streets of Kampala. Would you describe this situation as widespread, or these are just isolated cases of violence?
Well, Vincent, Dr. Besigye actually has been detained by police 3 times since Monday. So on Monday, he was detained as he was going to one of his rallies. The police claim that he was in the Central Business District, which they say is an off-limits area for rallies. Yesterday, he was detained by police after he accused them of having a rigging center at one of the National Resistance Movement houses, and that's the party of President Museveni. And then today, he was holding a press conference, or attempting to hold a press conference at his headquarters, the Forum for Democratic Change headquarters, and the police came in and started tear gassing supporters then. So in each of these cases, Mr. Besigye has been detained, tear gassed. His supporters rally around him. The police drive him to his house in Kasangati, and then they release him. So
now,
there's been a bit of a
very quickly, do you get the sense that there's tension in the country that could lead to chaos if the elections go the wrong way?
In Kampala, for sure, there's tension, and that's among Mr. Besigye's supporters. And we've seen this several times now in the last few days, which could be worrisome for when the results are announced, depending on how they are announced. On the other hand, President Museveni's supporters seem to be very assured that their candidate will win. So most of the, frustration is coming from Dr. Besigye's supporters.
Well, we'll keep watching that. Jill, thank you very much for your excellent reporting. VOA's East Africa correspondent Jill Craig reporting live from Kampala via Skype.